The last item in the media panel on Adobe Express is the Audio tab, where you can find music and sound effects to use. When you use premium audio, you get a specific license for it, which covers platforms like YouTube or other social media. You can also upload your own music if you have a license from a different source. If you prefer, you can record a voiceover and add it directly to the project. And this is perfect if you're looking to add a voiceover to your video without needing to record it on another app and upload it. You can record directly here. When you click record, you'll see the recording panel. At the top, you can choose which microphone you want to use. Below that, there's a meter that shows how loud your voice is. Under the meter, there's a button to enhance the audio. If you have background noise, you can still record in Adobe Express, and it will remove the noise if you check the option before recording. Now click record, and you can stop whenever you like. Give it a minute to enhance the audio after you finish recording. You can also change the intensity of the enhancement if you don't like how it turned out. Then open the timeline under the video, and you'll see your recorded audio. Like any other audio in the timeline, you can trim it by dragging the start or end. You can move it to the position where you want the audio to start in the video. You can also split and delete parts. When you cut parts, Adobe Express doesn't delete the original recording, it just hides them. You can stretch the audio back if you need those parts later. The recording is not saved anywhere else, so you need to keep it in the project. Otherwise, you won't be able to find it later. There are more things you can do with Adobe Express, and you can watch the next video to get inspired. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.